Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to use the email editor. Let's get started. The email editor helps us design professional emails, customize layouts, and create engaging campaigns that connect with our audience. Let's begin. On the Gohighlevel dashboard, we go to Marketing. You can find Marketing on the left side of the dashboard. Just click Marketing. Once we are on the Marketing page, we go to Emails, click Emails. Once we are on the email page, just click Create Campaign. Here, we can choose from email marketing templates or our own email templates. Since we want to add our own, let's use the email editor. We click the blank template and use the design editor. This is the selection. Once we are in the editor, let's start. This is the sample email editor. We can edit and customize our layouts, margins, border settings, and choose the background for the content. We can add a color, image, or an image pattern. We can upload an image, like this one, and choose it as a background. We can also add elements by choosing and dragging them. For example, we can add images or buttons. We can add buttons here. It depends on what we want. Just design your email here. Once we are done, we just need to save, send it to someone, or schedule send. And that's how we use the email editor in Gohighlevel. With the right design and messaging, we can create emails that drive engagement and improve our campaign results.